It's December 27th, 2023. We currently have brown and black waterproof eyeliner available. We only used to have like one eyeliner, so it's not a big deal to me, but I want to show you what I'm doing for my clients to teach them how to do this. So I've got biscotti. I take the darkest part of the soft heather through the crease and then blend it all the way up to the brow. That's my easy eyeshadow look. I take a little bit and smudge it down the outer corner. I take my black eyeliner and I line the top with this black, and I'm actually doing this in the phone, which is not the easiest. I'm going to try to look at this mirror that's behind me, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm doing black, and then I'm just adding brown underneath. It's a little bit softer, especially for women of a more interesting age. You do not want to put black under your eye if you are like me, of a more interesting age, because it just makes your eye recede and look smaller. So there we have it. Beautiful shade of brown, beautiful. So black on top, brown underneath, done. And then all you have to worry about are having these two eyeliners in your store. Have a great day.